What is up, guys? I have been working behind the scenes and making some big changes. So as a lot of you know, this year has been pretty crazy for me. A lot of changes in my life, and that's why I haven't been making videos for about 10 months. So as most of you know, this channel has been based out of my parents' garage. So my parents have given me ample space to work on my projects, me and my brother both. And so I've been blessed greatly to be able to carry on this YouTube channel and keep working on projects and do some pretty exciting stuff in my parents' garage. But life always changes. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. This year has been a bunch of good changes, and I am pleased to say that I am currently parked with a load of all my tools and stuff from the garage. I am parked outside of my own garage that I officially have a lease on for the next year. Some of you have probably caught on already based on the last video where I showed the new 260Z project that I just picked up. But I'm excited to show you guys the space. That's why I've been just not filming, trying to get everything loaded up. I wanted to just do it all at once and get everything into the garage. So here is the space. I'll show you guys the outside sometime, but it is freezing out there. It's about 10 degrees, so just wanted to get in here. As you can see, I already got the 260Z project and all the parts laid out here. It's kind of turned into a mess right away, but I promise I'm gonna get this place organized and it's gonna look a lot bigger because right now everything's just kind of spread out. So I also have a trailer load. I dropped this off last night. Trailer load of a bunch of crap from the garage. Got some heaters that I'm gonna get set up right away. Like I said, it is very cold. This week has been just crazy. It was like -2 degrees whenever I got up for work the other morning. Got my 1ZZ engine on the stand. Got some parts for the 260Z, don't mind those. Got my welding stand, just a little spare toolbox we had, my drill press. So all that stuff is here in the garage. I just got to unload it from the trailer, and then I have my dad's Sequoia packed full of tools and stuff. So in this video, this place won't be totally organized. That transformation will probably be in the next video, but I am going to get everything unloaded, get everything in here, show you guys some cool stuff that I got. Hopefully we can kind of start getting everything where it needs to go. So I'm excited. This is the space. It's about, I think it's around 500 square feet, nothing huge, enough to hold 2 cars. Obviously 2 cars, and I actually have been laying out some layouts in my CAD program to possibly fit 3 cars in here. So we'll see if I can get the storage right and get my parts stored in a nice organized way. I'm thinking I'm gonna need the extra space for all my parts and stuff, but we may be able to possibly get 3 cars in here, and we all know I have too many cars, so that's what we're gonna have to do. So first things first, I'm gonna start bringing stuff in through this door, and I'm gonna set up my heaters and try to get this place warmed up a little bit because it is freezing. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's really cold in here. So yeah, let's do that. That should help. This place is insulated, so I'm hoping it holds heat pretty well, but there are some gaps around the garage door and stuff, so we'll see what happens. I'm just glad to have some type of heat in here. I'm excited for the warm weather. I want to be in here working a lot more once the weather's warm, but for now I can handle just moving stuff in, I think. So I'll try not to be too much of a big baby. All right guys, so it did warm up pretty good in here. I did get most of the stuff out of the Sequoia. So I got my welder, and I got some stuff up here on these shelves. Got all this junk over here. It's amazing how much stuff you accumulate and you don't even realize it. This is like half the stuff from my garage, but it's all the essentials that I need to start working on some cars, and that's all I care about. The next step will be to get the MR2 in here. Yeah, I can't wait to get the MR2 in here. It's gonna feel like my garage. So now that I got all the stuff out of the car, I'm gonna go ahead and get all the stuff off the trailer. I need to find some spots for everything. And then I have one last big ticket item in the Sequoia that I'm super excited. It's brand new. I got myself a brand new toolbox and I'm super excited to open it and kind of set up my little workstation. So. Time for the big ticket toolbox. Pulling out of Sequoia. Super excited to see this thing. There she is. Got myself one of the Huskies. They went on sale over Christmas, and how can you not get something new, a new toy, whenever you're moving into a new garage? So I didn't own a toolbox, and wanted somewhere I could lock up my stuff, and that's what we got. So I'm gonna get the wheels on it, get it into the spot that I think it's gonna go, and then I might call it for today. All right, guys, got the toolbox assembled. I can roll it around wherever I'd like it to be. That's it for this video. This is the garage and some big things hopefully to come. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys watching along the way. This is a big step in my life and it's fun. So we're gonna keep this whole YouTube thing going and see what happens. And I appreciate you guys being along for the ride. If you guys subscribe, if you're not subscribed, it does help me a lot. It really helps me keep this thing going and keep the cool projects coming. And stay tuned for the 260Z. I'm accumulating parts quickly. So while it's cold, I figure that's the best time to get all the parts. And then as soon as it starts to warm up, we are diving in full speed. So it's gonna be a big project. The car is not in perfect condition at all. So I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna see what happens. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.